Hello, I'm Karma, and today we're gonna do this cooking method, a different way of cooking. Have to have some charcoal and ashes to later when I cook, I actually bury inside the charcoal and ashes, and that's how we're gonna cook when we're done. So I've learned from a very old gentleman. Is my uncle from Eastern Tibet. This is first time ever I'm trying out, and I actually never cooked myself, but I always watched when he's doing it. 1 cup flour, less than a half cup of water. Just gentle, just mix it like this. Relax hand, like you don't need a force. That's the dough. So I chopped one steak into like that, small dice like that. You can basically add whatever you wanted to add. Today is more about cooking method than actually what we are doing, you know. So this is cilantro, my favorite thing in the world, and one red onion, some salt, like this, and then mix. I got my dough thing, so I just make it like that. Exactly how he did it, I don't know. I don't know how it's gonna go well. So I do it like a big normal does. This. So I'm going to make pretty thin, and also what do you call, not too big, because this can be, my uncle made it like almost this size, like he makes like really large. So large, what happened is when you make a fire like that, and you know, they will stay there for like 3-4 hours sometimes. This is ash and some charcoal. So what do we do? And then here you go. That's how this baby is gonna get done. Like that. Like this. Then put more wood. It's been about 30 to 35 minutes in this sort of ash like that. Here you go. Looks very normal, but I should really definitely I should have more ashes than what do you call it, charcoal. I mean, ash is gives you more consistent heat to cook, but oh yes, that's it. Sure. That's it. See? That's a juicy stuff. See, his meat is perfectly done. So just eating just like that is a delicious. This can be a whole entire supper. Good supper.